1, 2, 3. Number squad. Almost there, Boom Boom. Hang in there, Cha-Cha. We're at the ancient arch. Once a year, the sun sets through the arch, making a magical light show. And I'm going to be the first explorer to capture it on camera. Huh? No! The ancient arch! We must rebuild it before sunset. Inhale slowly. Then exhale.
Whoa!
Relax, Tim. Find your balance.
I'm trying, Paula. Whoa! A little help, Billy?
Just take a deep breath, Tim.
Hey, I think I got it. Whoa!
Someone's calling. 1, 2, 3. Who's it gonna be? It's Izzy! Friends, I want to take a photo of the ancient arch at sunset, but the arch has collapsed. Oh no! We must arrange the blocks into 2 pillars. But how many blocks should each pillar have? Can you help? You can count on us, Izzy.
This is a job for Number Squad. Let's swoosh in my swoosh jet!
Number Squad, I'm so glad you're here. Wow, that looks beautiful. It will be, if we can rebuild the arch before sunset. So no time to waste. Let's sum up the problem.
Numero?
Numero. The arch is made up of 2 tall pillars. Each pillar is made up of a number of blocks stacked on top of each other. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks we must use.
We'll have to split 10 blocks into 2 groups to build 2 pillars.
10 blocks? Number 10 can help us today. Hi, 10. Can you help us rebuild the pillars, please?
Good idea, 10. I can use the swoosh jet to move the blocks into place.
Whee! The ancient arch will be up in no time.
Lowering the last block.
That doesn't look right. Uh-oh. We put too many blocks on one pillar. There are 9 blocks here. Which means there's only 1 left for the other pillar. That's not going to work. The pillars must be the same height. So there should be the same number of blocks for each pillar. We're going to need to move more blocks from the first pillar to the second pillar, Tim.
On it!
Now there is 1 less on the first pillar and 1 more on the second pillar. So 8 on one and 2 on the other. I And now there's 7 on one and 3 on the other, which still isn't equal. Let's keep going. Yay! What was that? Oops! Sounds like Boom Boom and Cha-Cha are hungry. Time for a quick banana break. Here are 10 bananas. Hey, let's share them. Is everything all right? Boom Boom and Cha-Cha went bananas over bananas, but they need to learn how to share.
Whoa! Easy there.
Careful, Tim. There's a strong wind. There. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas for Boom Boom and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas for Cha-Cha. Now both of them have the same number of bananas. I've got it! For the pillars to be the same height, we need... Oh!
Whoa!
Oh no! Block on the loose!
I can't see anything.
Oh no! Tim, it's sinking! We need all 10 blocks to rebuild the arch! Twitchy tails! What do we do? No!
Everyone, relax. It's like Holder told me. You just have to take a deep breath. We need to stay calm.
Good call, Tim.
The swoosh jets can lift the block, but I'll need a location.
Cha-Cha, can you climb the tallest tree you can find and guide Tim to us? The block! It's sinking! No worries! All together now! Yay! We did it!
Aha! There's Cha-Cha. Did someone call for a swoosh jet?
Yeah! The sun is about to set, but the arch is nowhere near complete. Deep breath, Sizzy. We've got this. You're right. And I think I know how to make sure the pillars are the same.
Let's work it out on Numero.
Numero. We have to split 10 blocks into 2 equal groups to form 2 pillars of the same height. Just like how Izzy split 10 bananas into 2 equal piles for Boom Boom and Cha-Cha. 10 blocks split into 2 equal groups is 2 groups of 5 blocks. The pillars are the same height. Did you get that, Tim? That's 5 blocks for each pillar.
Just leave it to me.
There are 5 blocks on this pillar and 5 blocks on the other. They're the same height now.
All done.
Yay! The ancient arch is restored. It's starting, Izzy.
Did I make it? Did I make it?
Any time now. I got it! Thanks for all the help, Number Squad. 3, 2, 1, problem gone. Today, Number 10 helped us split 10 blocks into 2 equal groups of 5. to form 2 pillars of the same height. And we restored the ancient arch.
Wow! That's so number neat!
You can always count on Number Squad. See you soon!